Today I'm going to make some sweet potato cupcakes. Let's get into the intro, let's get started. I'm going to boil some sweet potato. I'm using 1 cup of sweet potato. Then I'm going to crush it. And these are the spices that I'm using. You're seeing the list on your screen right now. It will also be in the description. I am adding all of the spice, the sugar and the butter, and I'm going to cream this. Once everything is creamed, I'm then going to add my 1 cup of sweet potato. I use 1 cup of sugar, ½ cup of butter. Then once everything has been incorporated, I am going to add 4 eggs, 1 at a time, obviously. Mix that in. Once that is mixed in and is smooth, then we are going to add the flour. The flour mixture, I did add 1 cup of flour, baking soda, baking powder. Sift that in, right, and mix that in. Once smooth, I'm going to measure them out, place them carefully into my cups. I use 1/3 of a cup measurement, and I'm going to bake with my preheated oven at 250 degrees for 20 minutes. At 10 minutes, I turn them around and bake them on the other side, evenly cooked at 20 minutes at that temperature. And I was thinking to do a frosting, but I'm going to leave that for our next video, and I'm going to let my daughter do the frosting, and she could put that up on her channel because she has a channel too, or you might see it on this channel after this video. So let's get into how moist this thing was. Oh my goodness, this thing was so moist, so delicious, full of spice. I didn't think that the sweet potato would have been so sweet, and the taste of the sweet potato, amazing. Everything just blend perfectly together, I'm not exaggerating because I did it. It's really good. Give it a try. Thanks for watching. Bye. Oh wait, one more thing. You see these recipes? Yeah, these recipes, check them out. Thanks for watching again. Bye.